Hello, my name is Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties. We will be walking through the Maginastar lighting system and showing you all the wiring harnesses and transformers and how to connect those items on a deck. We'll start with our basic 12-watt transformer. It can be used on projects generally in the range of 6 to 8 lights. It comes standard with the photo eye and showing the optional dimmer with the remote. Not shown is a 3-prong male connection. Our most popular transformer is our 50-watt transformer. Of course, it's plugging into 110. It comes standard with the dimmer, a timer, and a photo eye, and the 3-male connection. Then, of course, what you're going to do is, assuming your first post is going to be 9 foot away or something like that, we have a 9-foot wiring harness, which is just a male-female connection. If you have more than 9 foot to your first post, you would just connect 2 9-foot wiring harnesses. Then where your first post is going to be located, you have a 2-way splitter, male-female connection. You have your wire going up through your post to your lights. And of course your 2-way splitter, where your 9-foot lead to your next post is going to connect here. Up here we're showing our light ring product and our downward shining, and you can see again these are just male-female connections. The hole in the bottom of the Westbury post is going to be large enough to accept this wiring system, and if you're using this for a fence system where you may have a 6-foot, 7-foot, or 8-foot tall post, rather than using the 5-foot harness, you would use the 9-foot harness. So we can see how this is all connecting. Then we're moving on to the next post, so we have a 9-foot harness. And again, we have a 2-way splitter for the wire going on to the next post and for the wire going up through the post. Now here I'm showing our light system that is outward and downward shining, and you can see it has 2 wires coming out, and you have a male-female, you have a 2-way splitter here that you're going to need to connect these two to the main line. So the entire system is comprised of 2-way splitters, 5-foot harnesses, and 9-foot harnesses, and everything just connects together. Now if we go back here to the beginning, you will notice that I'm showing a 5-way splitter as well. An alternate way of connecting is running a direct wire direct from each light back to the transformer and using as many as multiple 5-way splitters off of this 3-prong connector, and it's a direct wire to each light. Of course, the system comprises of an outward shining light, a downward shining light, and a combination outward and downward shining light, as well as 2 side post lights. I hope this helps you understand how the Maginastar system assembles. Thank you for your interest in our product line. Have a great day.